so we can see here by running that URL from the terminal. So this is a very basic Shopify DOM theme, and then we will be building section by section. First we will tackle the top section, then the header section. So if we go back to our theme, so that is the one. So we will be replacing header group by our new section. So if we remove that one and try to see the browser, then we can see that it's gone there. So if we come back to our theme, then we will create a new section that is section. Then we'll give the name of section. So we'll name it as header shipping bar. Now we have to create this one, header shipping bar, in our section. So there, then new file, then liquid. So here if we type my new header shipping bar, then if we come back to our store, then we can see here my new header shipping bar, which is good. So now we will be creating the top bar section of that one. So we'll give a class of header shipping bar. Then we will give a class of container, and here we will type let's say new header section just for now. So now what we are gonna do is we will be building the schema for that section. So then schema, then and schema. So that would be the JSON file. So it would have the name, and name would be shipping bar, then settings would be so it have a so different kind of settings. So we will first cover the basic one, and then as we go along, then we cover the a little bit more complex. So we'll go step by step. So first what we're gonna do here is we'll create a type of text, then ID of shipping text, then level of title. Then by default it would be free shipping on all orders. So if you go there, now what we're gonna do here is over here just we will create section dot settings dot shipping text. So basically section is from this section, from that settings. So from that settings we are getting the value of the ID having shipping text. So whatever the value that is, so it will display over here. So if we have saved it there, then if we come to our browser and refresh this page, then we could see here free shipping on all orders, which is really good. Now if we go back to our code editor, then we will be removing this one. Then so what we are going to do is we will create a new style for the container. So what we're gonna do here is in theme dot liquid one, so we will create a new our own style sheet here. So in assets, as you can see here, assets, then we'll go over there, then style.css. So here what we're gonna do is we'll create a container. For container class, we will give a max width of 1280 px. Then the width would be 100%, and position would be relative, and margin inline would be auto, so that would be center. So then padding inline would be 1 em. That means it would give 1 em padding from the left and 1 em padding from the right. So then what we going to do is we have to mention in our similar liquid file. So at the here, what we're gonna do is style.css. So from asset url, that is right. So that is style set style sheet tag. So that is the one. So we'll remove that thing. Now what we are gonna do here is we come to our here, then if we refresh this page, then this is true. That means our style.css is working. So after that one, so if we go to our back of the customization here, so this is the one. Then if we type there, and so shipping bar, so this is the name of our shipping. It's the first section we have created, very top section. Then so if we type to any new, then it will be reflected over there. So if we save there, then so new shipping bar, which is really good. We'll go to our code editor, and what we are gonna do here is we will give a style and that thing, and we'll just copy that thing there. So this is the class we are having. Just copy this one, and we'll get that one, and for now we'll just give a color of fff and fff, and we'll give a text align of center, and we'll give a padding of 8 px, and we will give the font size of 14 px. Now if we look at this one, our font store there, so if we refresh the page, now we'll see something like that. And now if you go to our here, let's give the background of maybe J E E, then let's give the color of maybe 000. Then now if you refresh the page, now we can see something like that. So I think I want this to be dynamic as well. So what we're gonna do here is, so now if you look at this one, our home page, so if you go to the there home page, now I want to add another settings here. I think no, I think I want to add another section here. So we just basically go to our settings, and then we'll create another settings. So that would be the type of color, then id, we will give a bg color, and then here label would be background color, and by default I would give of 0c 2f30. Now if you save this one, and if you check our terminal, and everything is fine, so there is no issue there. So here instead of background I will just give, I'll just remove this one. And since this one is the, we are working on the liquid file, so section dot settings dot the whatever id it is having here. So right now it is the bg color, so we will just type there bg color. Now just one more space. Now if we go back to our this one editor, so now if you refresh the page, now you can see in the color here at the, again it is showing this one home page. Now you can see here, so previously it was not there, now we have created that one. So instead of the black color, I want this color to be white. And now if you refresh the page one more time, and one more time, yep, now this is how it's gonna look like. So you can change the text um, hooray, something like that, whatever. You can change the color, so you can do whatever you like, but I will just stick to our own thing, our own settings. So now if we check our there our front end, then it looks like that. So basically we have covered everything for this one. So and before we go any further, I really want to change the typography to this one, so to the Molly bold. So I think the Molly, so Molly, so this one I want this to be bold. Select, and so this one is the heading, so this one I want to be same, and that should be regular. Now say we'll save this one and we'll just come over here, and yes, now we are really good to go. So we will cover this part on our next section, our next tutorial. And yes, we'll see you there, guys. Thank you. Further, you can just delete this one. Now you can see you have only one announcement bar now, so that's the thing there, and it looks like that. So all is good now.